Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Utkarsh program. Today, we will learn how to write simple sentences. Okay? So, here are some pictures. You look at them. Now, tell me, what do you see? What do they do? Do you see dogs, birds, fish, monkey? And what actually they do? What are their activities? Do they climb, bark, swim, fly? So here is one activity for you. You match column A with column B. In column A, you see dogs, birds, fish, monkey. And column B, fly, climb, bark, swim. Okay? Complete? So you see, when you join two words, column A and column B, you get a sentence. For example, dogs bark, birds fly, fish swim, monkeys climb. Okay? This is how you can make or you can construct simple sentences using at least two words. Similarly, now we will see how we can make a sentence using three words. So here is a challenge for you. You see, here are three columns, column A, column B, column C. In column A, you see three animals, cats, elephants, and cows. In column C, you see dry fish, branches, grass. So in column B, you think of, you write a word. Using that word, you can easily make a sentence. Okay? Cows dash grass. So what will be that word? Very easy for you. Elephants dash branches. Cats dash dry fish. Yes, it is very easy word. The word is eat. Cows eat grass. Elephants eat branches. Cats eat dry fish. Okay? So now you see, using two words or using three words, you can construct simple sentences. The sentences are just like a train. In your train, you have seen one is engine and others are compartments. Similarly, in English, one word is engine and other words are just like compartments. And among the compartments, one word is very important. That is just next to the engine. In English, that engine is called subject. Just next to engine, that is verb. At least a subject and a verb make a sentence. Here is an activity. You choose one of the alternatives and fill in the blanks. Dash flow, rivers, birds. Dash rises in the east. The earth, the sun. Dash twinkle in the sky. The stars, the moon. Dash dress, hair. Tailors, barbers. Dash treat patients. Doctors, police. Can you say answer? Yes, you try. Dash flow, rivers or words? Answer is rivers. Rivers flow. Dash rises in the east. Very easy. Yes, the sun rises in the east. Dash twinkle in the sky. The stars twinkle in the sky. Dash dress hair. Barbers dress hair. Dash treat patients. That is doctors. Okay, so you see in this activity the subject of a sentence, which is just like the engine of the train, works. Okay, so now another activity for you. You see how verbs use in the sentence. You see here are 5 sentences and verbs are given in the brackets. You have to choose the correct verb and fill in the blanks, right? Farmers dash in the field. Children dash in the field. We dash water every day. Students dash teachers. Teachers dash students. So you say the answer. Farmers work in the field. Children play in the field. We drink water every day. Students respect teachers. Teachers teach students. Okay, so you can see in English subject and next comes the verb, but in case of Odia there is something difference. In Odia we say, for example, କୃଷକ ମାନେ ଜମିକୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତି. While writing in English, our Odia students make this mistake, commit this mistake. They write farmers to the field go. Actually, in Odia, verbs come at the end of the sentence, but in English it is quite different. Verb comes next to the subject. Farmers, subject, go, that is verb. Okay, this is the difference. You should mark it. Difference between Odia and English. In Odia, verb always comes at the end, but in case of English, verb comes next to subject. So now here are some sentences in jumbled order. You try to rearrange them and make sentences. Okay, plays hurry cricket. Love I my mom. To school goes Gopal every day. Face masks we use. So you try to make sentences. So first sentence will be, which will be the engine or the subject of the sentence? Plays or hurry or cricket? Yes, hurry. Hurry is the subject. Next comes verb. Which is verb? Cricket or plays? Plays. Then comes, that becomes hurry plays, and final word is cricket. Hurry plays cricket. Next, love I my mom. I love my mom. Next, Gopal goes to school every day. Finally, we use face max, right? This is how we construct simple sentences. Now open your worksheet number 16 and you complete it. Thanks for watching.